Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Bitcoin dropped below $90,000 to its lowest since November the 18th, as market nerves over US tariffs reinforced the blow to crypto investor confidence from last week's $1.5 billion hack of Ether from the Bybit exchange. Tesla's stock tumbled 8%, pushing its market value below $1 trillion for the first time since November, after data showed the electric car maker's sales slumped in Europe in January. The European Automobile Manufacturers Association reported that Tesla sales dropped 45% in Europe, compared with a 37% jump in overall sales of EVs in Europe. Gold prices dropped to their lowest level in over a week, as investors booked profits after a record high in the previous session, on ongoing fears of instability around US President Donald Trump's tariff plans.
The sterling dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The CCI is in oversold territory.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.